the team have been reporting on this. Deals slowing down, but then you get the likes of Advent selling a UK maritime company. Is this just the only sector that's alive and well at the moment?
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right that when generally, obviously, a lot of deals are on pause because of the situation in Iran, there's one big exception, as you say, and that's defense. For obvious reasons, with conflicts going on from Ukraine to Iran and beyond, we're just seeing a huge surge in demand for these defense and defense tech companies. So owners, whether it's private equity firms like Advent or big primes like Rheinmetall, are out there aggressively selling defense assets or buying to build their war chest, literally and figuratively, for future demand.
Then I guess what happens, Aaron, from here on out? I mean, I don't want to be crass, but it's kind of like, Seahawks win the Super Bowl and they look to sell themselves. As this war drags on, what does the pipeline look like? Does it continue to boom for defense companies?
Yeah, I think that was the really big question is, are we going to see just a bubble or a permanent trend? And talking to M&A advisors in this space, they're saying they're busier than they have been in the last quarter century. And we know that the pipeline is full. Look at some of the big IPOs coming up. We had one of the biggest defense IPOs of all time, CSG, an ammo company, launch earlier this year. And KNDS, the maker of the Leopard tank, which is used actively in Ukraine, is also planning an IPO before summer. So I think we're going to see some mega transactions because investors, even those that previously hesitated to invest in defense, are clamoring for exposure to the sector. As you say, everyone is not celebrating the tragedies we're seeing in Iran, but they realize there is a real demand for the equipment, for the technology.